My side, say about the music in the background. I just have to remember say I not do no video yet. So I run out of video on my phone fast. So alright, I have one pair just so appear. Next pair just so appear. One pair there so upon 2 egg. One pair there so upon 2 egg. One pair there so upon 1 baby. And up there so just this one I start pick up residents up there now. We have this a young one here. And shit. And in twin, alright, see two of them there. Then I just them brother in this cup there. Me have I like this. I put in the 2 fantail in there. See them couple back not too long. You have this a bird there. Me get some new muddy now. Me get that one here. That one there. That one there. And that one there. And them over there so they pan 2 egg too. The muddy in them up under this so they pan 2 egg. As you can see a young chicken under there. And a mother muddy in there take care of her. You see me? You frill them there so no lay your same way. Alright. You move fast, I said, you move fast. Pumpkin there same way. We have 1 chicken left because dog kill off everybody else. Because a dog kill the little one mother with it there. We come. We have some turkey right there on my side. 5 of them, I don't know if you can see them. 5 of them in there. In that. Me get one cage. Right so. When me put on one back part on it right so. I think good to go. The baby duck them. In so me put them. Right there so I give them back some water. So baby duck them this. And then he babbled of them that. So I just run through and give a quick look at everybody my side. So remember like, share and subscribe to and post notification bell next video again.